what a student has written to the Chief Justice of India. Living a life of hell is what the student has written to Chief Justice Chandrachud to demand action against city officials and others responsible for the deaths of the 3 fellow students who drowned in the flooded basement of a coaching center in East Delhi. The Chief Justice has not yet decided if the letter will be viewed as a petition. The student Avinash Dubey flagged the poor infrastructure in areas such as Rajendra Nagar and Mukherjee Nagar. Remember, these are the hubs, the coaching hubs in Delhi, and residents of which often battle floods caused by drainage issues and negligence by the municipal corporation, and ask for protection of students' fundamental rights. Mr. Dubey referred to the tragic drowning of the 3 students in the basement of a building owned by Rao's IS Study Circle. The basement was being used as a library in violation of city ordinances. The permission was to use it for storage. It was being used as a library instead. Well, Ashish joins us on the phone line for more, and this as students have been protesting over this. There you can see protests that have been held. And Ashish, now a Delhi a student who is, obviously been a part of this coaching hub that, you have in Mukherjee Nagar and Rajendra Nagar. He has written to the Chief Justice calling the area living hell, talking about the issues, civic issues being faced by residents there.
Yeah, the student Avinash Dubey, who is preparing for civil services exam, has written a letter to Chief Justice and asked Chief Justice of India, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, to take cognizance of all this matter. Also, in his letter, he portrayed about the conditions in which the students from all part of the country is now studying in Delhi. The condition which is very bad. What he said students are living in hell. Also, he said to Chief Justice that it is fundamental right to study while living a healthy life. The above incident is extremely heart-rending and worrying. And due to waterlogging, there is a serious threat to the safety and health of students studying in such centers. Also, students need a safe and healthy environment so that they can study without fear and contribute to the development of the country. Also, Avinash Dubey asked to direct officials of the Delhi government as well as MCD to take immediate and effective steps to find a permanent solution to the problem of waterlogging and strengthen emergency and medical response to measure proper evacuation to be ensured. Yeah.